We're going to show you how to pair the commander unit with your Tesla. Our OBD adapter unlocks advanced automations for your vehicle, such as disabling emergency lane departure on legacy Model 3 and Model Y cars, muting the intelligent speed assist sound on Highland and Juniper models, and much more. However, some features activated through our products were previously unable to sync with the Tesla screen. That changed once Tesla officially approved our use of their API, which we implemented directly into the commander. It communicates with Tesla's encrypted protocol via Bluetooth and sends commands directly to your car. This means that by completing a quick pairing process after you have already installed the commander, you'll be able to add climate controls and features like camp mode and dog mode to our products. Additionally, when you change your climate settings through the S3XY app or the S3XY Knob, those changes will be synced with your Tesla display. The only features that are not yet shown are fan speed control, switching between acceleration modes, and a couple of others. Don't worry though, we are already working on adding them soon. Before you begin the pairing process, make sure you have your phone key and Tesla card ready. Open the S3XY app and go to the Commander page. At the top, you'll see a tab labeled Pair with the car. Carefully read through the instructions before proceeding, then tap Get Started. For the next step, tap your key card on the designated charging pads or under the armrest if you own a legacy model. A pop-up will appear on your Tesla screen notifying you that you are attempting to pair another device. Press Confirm to complete the pairing, then tap Next inside the S3XY app. After that, the commander will appear as an unnamed key on the Locks page in your Tesla menu. Scroll down until you find it, then press the pencil icon to rename it. Choose a name, for example S3XY, to avoid confusion with your other keys. Keep in mind that overall you can have under 18 devices added as keys. At the moment of pairing, there already should be no more than 2 active keys, one of them being your card, which are shown in both on the Locks page as you can see on the screen. This is because Tesla supports a maximum of 3 active keys at a time. If you already have your card and 2 phones connected and try to add the commander as a 4th active key, the pairing will fail. In that case, you will need to temporarily turn off Bluetooth on one of the phones to successfully complete the process. Once the pairing is completed, the Tesla screen will be synced with your S3XY products. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our future videos.